Hey guys, this is Jeff with Tenicor. I'm here to talk to you today about our newest product release, the VELO LUX. The VELO LUX is our new light-bearing appendix carry holster. We recognize that the current naming convention with our appendix carry holsters is a little confusing to some people. So we have the VELO, SAGAX Lux, and MALUS Sol. The SAGAX Lux and the MALUS Sol are gonna go away, and they're both gonna be replaced with just the VELO LUX. We'll have our non-light-bearing holsters, the VELO, and then all the light-bearing holsters will be under the VELO LUX name. So let's talk about the features of the new VELO LUX. We have made a bunch of changes over the years to the body contour to kind of adapt to the current VELO and the previous SAGAX Lux, and that's just going to continue in with this new VELO LUX line. So you're going to have a low profile, optimized contour to get it to conceal and to be comfortable. Generally for our dedicated appendix carry holsters, we try to leave the muzzle open so that you can put a compensator on the gun or use a longer gun like a 17 and a 19 holster if you choose to. However, some of the holsters, specifically the multi-light fit holsters, we have to close the muzzle. And we have to do that because the muzzle end is needed as a stop point to keep the gun from over penetrating the holster. Everything is gonna have a medium sweat guard on it because it's the best balance of protecting the body, protecting the clothing, and also protecting the gun without having some big, large sweat guard that protrudes too much. We've migrated from the T1 to the Mod 4 Universal from Discrete Carry Concepts, so it's gonna be a different clip than we've used in the past with our light-bearing appendix carry holsters. Moving to the Mod 4 Universal allows us to have a different hole pattern. That different hole pattern has two positions, an upper position and a lower position, and then the slots on the clip allow you to fine-tune that ride height adjustment. We're moving away from the square nuts to our proprietary double posts. So the double post is really nice because it is only one piece of hardware. That one piece of hardware goes here into the holster. That double post is captured and it makes the installation process extremely simple and secure. Just like on the VELO 5, we've added 3 different clip attachment positions. So the previous SAGAX Lux and MALUS Sols had only one position, and now we have these 3, and these 3 are kind of over the light body, over the slide, and then over the sight channel. In the past with the SAGAX Lux and MALUS Sol, there wasn't much cant adjustment on the clips. And so we've integrated 5 degrees of both forward and rearward cant. So just like all Tenicor products, we support a wide range of backup iron sights and also red dots. So most conventional red dot sights, including some of the bigger sights like the RMR HD, they will fit in this holster without any issues. So at Tenicor, we're always trying to improve things, whether that is a process or a product. And so the VELO LUX is kind of a combination of a variety of different changes we've made to our product line and integrating those into our dedicated appendix carry holster. The VELO LUX is available right now at Tenicor.com.